Welcome back to Behind the Shed Cooking, where we cook everything outside. Hope you all had a kick-ass winter. It's been a few months since I've done a video, so today we're firing up the smoker and we're doing hot smoked salmon. All right, the first thing I gotta do is add 1 chimney of charcoal to the smoker. And when that goes white hot, I'll add some applewood. I'm aiming for about 250 degrees Fahrenheit or about 120 Celsius. And then we'll add our fish. Okay, so I got 4 bits of salmon here. 3 of them have been brined in a liter of water, 1/3 cup of salt, and 1/2 cup of brown sugar overnight. And this guy here I'm just going to do with lemon pepper. Smoker's at the temp. I'm going to put these in and just wait until they are finished. I'll maintain my temperature at about 250. And I won't open the smoker until they're ready. There you go. Let's get them in the smoker. All right, the smoker's up to temp. So I'm gonna get these salmons in. And that's it. I'll just monitor my temp, keep it at 250 until these fish are finished. All right, 2 of my fillets are up to temperature. So we're gonna pull them out and look at them. Right.
Your name is Chuck.
What's your name? Anne? And what else? Is it Chetty? Yeah. And it's flat too, right? Let me move it. Does it taste good? Yep. You guys take everything off.
Let these other ones cook for a bit more. All right, let's check these out. Okay, these 2 fillets are ready. So let's get into them and see what they're like. So the one I did with lemon pepper, and we have the one that I brined yesterday. Just pulling apart nicely there. Smells delicious. Try it. Oh yes, that is delicious. Another piece. Love how it just flakes apart. And you just pull on it. Lovely cooked. Has a nice smoke flavor, not too strong. Definitely the brine one's better. 100%. This is the one I would go. I will put the recipe of the brine in the description down below. I would recommend the brine over the lemon pepper. It's very good. I'm happy. Okay, one more is ready. Pull it out. Oh, that's looking good. Take the thermometer out of it. Look at that. One more to go. All right, let's check this one out. Oh, that's looking good. Let's see what this one's like now. This is the brined one as well. Flaking real nice. Oh yes. Very, very good. Definitely go for the brined. That's delicious. One more to go. Last fillet is done. Sitting at 163 degrees Fahrenheit. Sea fish is done at 145. I like to go a little bit higher with it. Let's get it out. Check it out. Looking good. Okay, we are done our last piece. That is looking so good. Don't even need a knife, it just flakes apart. Just like that. That is delicious. Very impressed with that. Very happy with the brine, very happy with the smoke. The applewood smoke really brings out the flavor. Very, very good. Very happy with that today. And that's it. Hot smoked salmon. Thanks for watching Behind the Shed Cooking. Tune in on July 3rd. We're going to do a full pig roast, so that'll be interesting. Thanks very much. Click like, subscribe. Have a good one.